couple of days ago, I was in the market looking for wireless earbuds to buy or a headset because the last one I was using right now is currently priced at over 100,000 naira and I cannot afford it. So I was searching for my soulmates that will help me work out at the gym. I use casually to make calls and all of that, and I came across this. These are the Apex Swissbrand True Wireless Earbuds. I'm going to be unboxing them in this video, letting you know what's inside, and I'm going to be telling you how they sound. Fingers crossed. This video, by the way, is not in any way sponsored by Apex, so yeah, this is just an honest review. So unboxing, yes, there's 4 strips. I didn't want to waste your time, so I'm not going to do all that stripping thing again. But man, it feels like they just wanted this to be hung somewhere and not be used by the original user or owner or something. You have these, but I'll keep this by the side. You have the extra buds, so you have a small and a bigger earbud. This is the manual. Yes, it's the manual. Use one manual. Okay. You have the USB cord which connects to the charging pod for the earbuds. It's USB B, I think, or A. Yeah, it's the regular ones, those old ones. Yeah, you have the charging case, type B or whatever. Yes, whatever thingies. Okay. Then you have this thing that they put there. I'm just going to put down here. And then you have the case. You just bend it this way and it opens. Yeah. So anyway, but let me leave it open because I'm going to show you how to plug these in. So these are the wireless earbuds themselves, Apex. I don't know much about them yet, but these are the earbuds. They are quite comfortable looking. They look very small, yeah. So just to charge, you have to do is put the right ear. This is the left, so you put the left ear in the left space, right? And then this is the right, so you put the right ear in the right space. Now it has LED indicators, dot indicators on the earbuds themselves, and then you have a battery indicator for the charging case. It's at 81%. These, they sound good. They really sound good. I was not expecting this quality of sound at $50. I can't say they are the best I've ever heard, but value for money, $50, yes. The bass is there. The mids are not very pronounced. The treble is very subtle. Overall, quite balanced sound for its price point. The only issue that I have with these earbuds are the fact that it doesn't have touch capacitive buttons. So these you have to click on, and you have to press them in and they click. And then you press them once to play or pause. Press and hold them to skip to the next track. And then you double tap them to activate Siri. That's if you're using iPhone, and probably Google Assistant if you're using an Android. Overall, very balanced, great value for money. I recommend it to anybody who's looking for wireless earbuds, $50 and below. Make sure you share this with your friends who don't have. Share with who has. Buy one and gift one to a friend. And don't forget to subscribe to my page for more videos like this.